In Liberia, power cuts are common. This is due to an underdeveloped and fragile electricity grid. That's why LIB Sunshines. We bring solar energy to you. From homes to schools, farms to clinics, we supply and install the solar solutions you can trust. Do you have a solar project? Look what we can do for you. Why choose us? LIB Sunshines provides reliable solar supply and installation, long-term maintenance support, affordable solutions. Not only that, but we also serve anywhere in Liberia, because we care about Liberia's future. No fuel bills, no blackouts, just power you can count on every day. How to find us? We are located in Monrovia. Address: Miami Junction, Rehab, Monrovia. Call or WhatsApp at +231 77 25 1000 320. Or visit our website at www.libsunshines.com and contact us now.